Hello guys, welcome back to Non-TECHIE, and today we are going to learn some new queries. In the previous video we learned how to use create, select and insert query. In today's video we are going to learn how to use the where class, and we will also see the update query. So let's get started. So from the previous video I have already added a few more records in the table, as you can see here. So today we will learn how to use the where class. So let's get started. Where class is basically used to filter out the data as per our conditions. Let's see an example where we want only those records where the age of the employees is greater than 25. So we will write select star from employee, our table name, where our column name, that is age, is greater than 25. That's all. And I will execute this query, and as you can see the age of all the employees is about 25. Let's see another example where we will be adding two conditions with the where clause. So we will write select star from our table employee. Now let's say we want to have the two conditions in which uh, the address is New York and the salary is less than 2500. So we will write where address is equal to New York and salary is less than 2500. Now we will execute this, and you can see there are two employees whose address is New York and salary is less than 2500. Now let's see the update query. Update query is basically used to modify our records in the table. So we will update all the records where address is Toronto and change it to Texas. First we will take a look at our table, select star from employee, and I will execute this. Now as you can see we will be changing the address Toronto to Texas. So wherever there is Toronto it will be changed to Texas. We will write update our table name, that is employee. Here we will be adding another function, that is set. Set will help us to change the values. So we will give our column name, that is address. We will set the address to Texas. Here we will be giving our where condition, where address is equal to Toronto. So what this code will basically do, it will update all the values where the existing address is Toronto to Texas. As you can see we have Nick and the address is Toronto. We have Nancy and the address is Toronto, which will be changed to Texas. Let's execute this. You can see here two rows affected. We will take a look at our table once again, and as you can see the address has been changed to Texas for Nick and Nancy. That's how you use the update query. That's all for today guys. Please like, subscribe and share to all. We'll meet again in the next video with few more queries. Till then keep learning and thanks for watching.